You thought I was just gonna let you prank me like that?
Mac 10, we back at it again. The littlest phantom you know, run and tell you a friend. You know that it's loyalty all the way to the end. You never see happy lives, huh? This where it is. Mac 10, love literally everywhere. Mac 10, we screaming it through the air. Mac 10, the villager really cares. Mac 10, they need it, they gon' be there. Mac 10, we back at it again. The littlest phantom you know, run and tell you a friend. You know that it's loyalty all the way to the end. You never see happy lives, huh? This where it is. Mac 10, love literally everywhere. Mac 10, we screaming it through the air. Mac 10, the villager really cares. Mac 10, they need it, they gon' be there. Mac 10. Said it's a Mac 10.
Mac 10 back again with another video. What's good, YouTube? What's good, Mac Gang? It's your boy Brent, and I'm by myself. I'm in the truck, y'all. I had ran to take the garbage out. I'm by myself, so y'all already know what time it is. It's time, y'all. It's time. It is banger time. As y'all can tell by that title and that thumbnail, I'm finna be pranking your girl Keisha again and again and again, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So she thought that she could just do her little prank on me, but I ain't going. I'm back with another banger with her. You know what I'm saying? So listen, y'all. So we finna eat some food, y'all. I'm finna warm up our food that we had yesterday, and we finna eat it for our lunch or whatever today. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know how leftovers go. I don't know if y'all know, but leftovers is good to me. You know what I'm saying? It ain't never hurt me, you know? But listen though, yeah, so we finna eat some leftovers, right? And as y'all can tell by that title and that thumbnail, I know I said it already, but I am finna be moaning while eating my food. Now, y'all know Keisha pregnant, but beyond Keisha being pregnant, she love food, y'all. She love food. So I'm just gonna hit her with some of the things that she might have slipped up and did while she was eating with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get her, y'all. But yeah, though, y'all, if y'all new to the channel, welcome to the Littest family on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, like this video, comment down below. Team Brent, you know what I'm saying? I'm going out this shit with a banger. I'm calling the end of the year now that I'm going out with a banger. I'm finna be coming back with bangers. You know what I'm saying? But listen, though, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join the Littest family on YouTube and become part of the Littest gang on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Because we lit and y'all lit, and that's how we go. All right, y'all, but I'm finna get this camera set up. Prank time in 3, 2, 1. Hey!
Yeah.
I got the food ready. Oh damn, I forgot my bread. Is some bread in there?
No, the kids put it in the freezer.
Put it in the freezer?
Get that, baby. I'll drink it. What you give me? Who like?
How you knew that was our drink?
Shit, because there's 2 cups in the thing.
Stop.
Probably some man. Oh, shit. Ooh, wait. You know what this friend touches me? Craving a lot of fish and stuff. Tacos and fish. Tacos and fish. That's all they want. Amen. Did you say a prayer before you ate? I said it for both of us.
Thank you. Amen. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I felt it. I felt you saying it. That's why I said something at the time. Is that
That's thunder.
That's thunder. I was finna say, is that somebody moving their garbage cans or is that thunder? Jeez.
I'm scared.
Almost scared me to death.
Oh, I love rainy days, but when it's raining.
That shit wet. You don't know, see that drip. That shit right there.
Is that good? Damn.
I love me some fish.
You do?
And some macaroni. Ooh. Did you have macaroni?
Oh my God. What are you eating there making me wet?
What are you talking about?
I'm feeling wet if you eating like that.
What? What are you
eating?
talking about? I'm over here enjoying my food.
I'm getting hot over here.
What?
Finish eating.
Can't even eat? Damn.
So you like fish?
This is even better the second day.
Oh my God.
That's what I'm saying. Oh man.
But you want some? You could have just asked.
I'm getting some fish food, right? It sound like it's getting moist and moist.
You home, baby.
Wait. What you doing? I'm eating that. Hold on, wait, babe. Wait, wait. No, babe, wait. Hold on now. Wait a minute, babe, wait. Hold on, let me just do that. Oh, I'm sorry, I'll stop. I'll stop, babe. Get up, babe. Yeah, I'm stop. Can't be doing that. There's a table at the table right there.
Yeah, I'm getting hot.
Yeah. So moist.
Damn.
Like a blunt.
Stop
Call
playing.
me.
You need to stop playing before we go in the back.
I ain't letting not a drip fall. Babe. We eating, babe.
Yeah.
I'm eating. Why you getting all turned that way to me? How you gonna eat like that? I'm eating. Come on, now.
Come on, I want you to eat something else. Fuck it. Fuck that. Come on.
Babe, what is?
Eat this.
Eat what? I'm eating this fish right here, babe. Wait, hold on, babe. Wait. Babe, wait. Okay, hold on. I'm not even doing it no more. Babe, wait. Oh, babe.
You ain't making sense for nothing. You should just told me.
Hold on, babe. Wait. Just wait.
Eat me.
Eat you.
Yeah.
Babe, I'm trying to eat this fish right here. Babe.
Eat me.
Wait, get down. Get down, babe. Get down. After I'm done eating this fish here. I'm gonna eat this fish first. No, babe. No. Babe, no. Wait, babe. It's a prank, babe. It's a prank. I ain't even trying to let it go on, but you too hot. Come on, man. I know you gonna be hot like this. Babe, it's a prank.
How?
It's a prank, babe. I'm pranking you.
No,
Look in between the air fryer and the deep fry over there. Yeah.
Come on, you cut it out.
Okay.
You can cut it out.
I'm cut it out for you.
Come on,
I just ate hot sauce though.
Oh my God. Come on.
Okay, just. Alright, y'all. I had to cut some of that out, man. My baby got too freaky over there. Had to give her a quickie real quick, you know what I'm saying? Had to do what I had. No, let me stop. I'm just playing, y'all. I'm just playing. But listen, though, y'all, man. I think this was a successful banger. I ain't know she was going to get like that, though, y'all. I ain't going to. Babe, stop. Babe, stop touching it, babe. No, stop. Wait. Hey, listen. Yeah, I got to do some Magnolias. Get my phone real quick. Let me do some Magnolias. I'm going to do some Magnolias, y'all. Get my phone. Magnolia. It was a good one, wasn't it? It was a banger, y'all. I got it, y'all. It was a banger, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Magnolia #1 goes to my phone on delay too, huh? I had mine at first. Magnolia #1 goes to Frederica Smith.
Come on, baby.
And babe, okay, I'm coming. Dang, you that thirsty for me? I'm finna finish eating my food. What you mean? Yes, I am. I'm finna finish eating my food. And Magnolia #2 goes to.
Come on.
How you say it? Danielle H. It just say Danielle H. Danielle H. And that's the Magnolia shout out to this video, y'all. I got Keisha, you know what I'm saying? She hot and horny, and I'm taking my time now, you know what I'm saying? Because I know she want me. You know what I'm saying? When she want me, she want me. So that's why I'm going to play around with it. But that's the end of this video. All right. Mac 10.
There's no mystery, yeah. I followed all my dreams, yeah. I seen before they seen it. My flow is more than decent. Hypothetically, yeah. I'm making history, yeah. I'm making history, yeah. I'm making history, yeah.